welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and let's make the chair together. After sanding the wood using sandpaper, I had to paint it, so I went and bought a spray paint, white, so that I sprayed the wood white. But it happened that the spray paint was not working as I expected, and it was not giving the wood the consistency I wanted. The wood was not looking like it was being painted, so I had to look for something else. Then a friend advised me to buy super gloss enamel, which I bought white, so I had to use the brush to paint, and it was my first time, and I'm happy that it worked out for me. The brush was giving the wood enough paint to cover all the defects on the wood, so that the pellets could get the white that I wanted them to have, and that worked quite good with this super gloss Soleil paint. After one day of painting the pellets, 3 coats each, this is what I had. So the only thing I had to do was to varnish them so that they can have this sparkly color, and bring them indoors. And here they are, ready to be used, and Angel is here to help me arrange them. Quite an amazing chair with extra space in the bottom for your extension or your music system or whatever you would like to keep in the bottom, and at the side for your cup when you're drinking tea. And you can convert the chair into a bed. It can make a very nice queen size bed for you to sleep or for your visitor when they come by, and extra space at the side to keep things. And it's not difficult. Remember to click the link in the description below to watch the video on how I made the cushions.
Good night.
Good night to you too. Now come sit here and tell us something about the chair. Just where you are sitting, yeah?
The chair is so comfortable. You can sleep on the bed. When you wake up, you sit on the chair, or you can be busy with the laptop here. Or you can sit with someone discussing about anything.
And others are?
And others are sleeping, or friends.
Yeah. How is the bed?
The bed is comfortable, smart, and I love it.
Is it difficult to make?
No.
Just be honest. Is it difficult?
No.
It's not difficult, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.